Hello everyone, I am Trifanas Papadopoulos. This is a tutorial where we will break down a Python script that automates image processing and uploads images to a WordPress site. Here you see each section of the code explaining what it does and why it matters. I'm just going to scroll down to see the whole file explaining what the code does and some images that can help you understand better this code, and I'm going to try explain to you how you can do that. So let's move to the core functionality, uploading images to WordPress. Let's suppose that we have a folder named folder 1 and there are these two images and we want to upload this to WordPress media. And usually what we do is that we log in and we go to media and then we add images manually. Now we're going to do it in a different way. Let's see how it works. Now, view folder, you see that there are two images here, and in order to upload this to WordPress we need to run Python script to upload the images, visible Python. Before doing that, let's see if these images are already there. If there are, we're gonna delete them. Okay. Give it a minute. So these images are here. I'm gonna delete them. So these images are not here now, are not found. So we go back to our Excel file and we click run Python script. We wait. And the procedure has finished. And now if we just go here and hit refresh, here are the two images. If we go back and we check thumbnails, these two small thumbnails have been added, and these two thumbnails referred to the uploaded images found here. This Excel file has been created, and this Excel file contains all uploaded images. The first column is about the file path and the actual name of the image on our computer, and this column, uploaded file URL, is the URL you can use to access the image online. Let's see if it works. You see, it works. So do not save, back, and now you see upload details here, thumbnail folder here. Here is an Excel sheet with upload history. So in summary, this Python script automates the task of resizing images, generating thumbnails, and uploading them to a WordPress site. It also logs every upload in an Excel file complete with images, so you have a complete record of all processed files. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more programming tutorials.